Today we are making shrimp or scampi doughnut with lemon gel and crispy celery. Hi everyone, my name is Mise.
My name is Lucas.
Today we're back in the kitchen and we are going to teach you how to cook some scampi. I start by removing the head and shell from the shrimp. Meanwhile, Lucas is finally chopping the shallot onion. You're going to need it a little bit smaller. Ooh, that's good. To make sure there is no grit or sand in a donut, I carefully remove the shrimp's digestive tract. I like doing this with a toothpick or a needle. Just insert it gently into the back of the shrimp and lift the vein out in one clean pull. No cutting, no mess, and no wasted time. Once the shrimp are clean and washed, I finally chop them and mix with a dill, shallot onion, lemon zest, cream cheese and a little salt. Then I shape the mixture into 25-gram balls and place them into the freezer until firm. Using wet hands make this much easier because the filling won't stick. What I'm going to make now is a batter or a dough for our donut. Now for the dough. I mix plain flour, cornstarch, milk, water, salt and active yeast. I use a hand blender to get everything nice and smooth. It helps to prevent the lumps. Once the shrimp balls are firm enough to stay on the stick without falling off, it's time to fry. I dip each shrimp ball into the batter and deep fry them until golden brown and evenly cooked. Yep, there you go. While the donuts rest, Lucas and I prepare the garnish. We use torched fresh shrimp and crispy celery for extra texture and freshness. Yes, so we're going to prepare some celery decor that we're going to use on the top of the donuts. For the celery, we cut the stalks into thin strips. Remove as much moisture as possible with paper towels, coat them lightly in cornstarch and deep fry over medium heat until crispy. That's good! So we're going to prepare the celery decor that we're going to put on the top of our croquette or donut.
Can I do it?
Yes, so what you want is just go with your hand. It's important not to fry too much celery at once, otherwise it clumps together and won't crisp up properly. Let's prepare our lemon gel. Now for the lemon gel. I use fresh lemon juice, water, sugar and agar powder. It's important to dilute the lemon juice with water because pure lemon juice can weaken the agar and stop it from setting properly. I combine everything in a pot, bring it to the boil, then transfer it to a tray and let it cool properly. Once fully set, I blend it into a smooth gel. And now the lemon gel is ready for the squeeze bottle. Okay, this is our shrimp donuts that we serve together with a little bit of the lemon gel, some crispy celery stick decor. Shrimp donut with lightly torched shrimp, crispy celery and lemon gel.